Let's go to question 3. Consider the graph of the following function. F of x equals 16 over x plus x squared over 8. For x is not equal to 0. A. Write down the equation of the vertical asymptote of f of x. For vertical asymptote line, for AISL level, we only deal with y equals 1 over x to the nth power. Vertical asymptote line is x equals 0. Domain is x is not equal to 0. Check the denominator. We have x as the denominator. So, for A, x equals 0. B, find the f prime of x. We do know x to the nth power prime equals n times x to the power of n minus 1. Also remember x prime equals 1 and a constant number prime equals 0. Therefore, f prime of x equals, remember, change 16 over x into single power form so that you can use this formula. 1 over x to the nth power equals x to the power of negative n. So we get 16 times x to the negative first power. Then plus coefficient is 1 over 8 x squared prime. X to the negative first power prime. Drop down exponent negative 1 times x to the power of negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So we get negative 1 over x squared equals 16 times negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over 8 is a coefficient. X squared prime equals 2x times 2x. Simplify. 16 times negative 1 is negative 16 over x squared. Reduce. Plus 1 over 4x. Let's go to C. Determine whether f of x is increasing or decreasing when x equals negative 2. We do know increasing or decreasing based on f prime of negative 2. So we need to figure out f prime of negative 2. There are two ways to work this out. We can do the substitution in this f prime of x, which is negative 16 over negative 2 squared plus 1 over 4 times negative 2. Go to calculator, negative 4.5, less than 0. So, f of x is decreasing at x equals negative 2. Another way to work this out is by graphing calculator. First of all, go to menu, go to 4, 2. Variable is x, value negative 2. Enter. We got this derivative. Type in the original function. Then enter. We got negative 9 over 2, which is negative 4.5. dx. 16 over x plus x squared over 8 evaluated at x equals -2 equals -9/2 less than 0. So f of x is decreasing at x equals -2. Let's go to D. Write down the interval in which f of x is increasing. Let's go to graph. I want to delete all of this. So go to menu, action, 4, delete all. Yes. You can change this into standard window. Go to menu, 4, 5. This is a standard window. Click on the tab. Type in the function. Then enter. We got this graph. It's not clear, so go to menu. Go to 4. Zoom out. You could see this graph is going down. Don't forget y-axis is asymptote line. We need to figure out this minimum value. On the right side of this minimum value, the graph is going up. Go to menu, 6, minimum 2. We are given 4, 6. So when x greater than 4, the function is increasing. Let's sketch the graph first. Label. This is 4, 6. So when x greater than 4, f of x is increasing. You can write down this answer by interval notation, which is 4 to positive infinity. F of x is increasing.